Did you know that you can now create a fully playable video game with just one prompt? Use Astrocade, the world's first text-to-game platform. It's like ChatGPT, but for building playable games. You just describe what you want, and boom, Astrocade creates a fully functional games with art, mechanics, and logic in seconds. To try this for free, visit astrocade.com. Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. Kindly support me by subscribing to my channel, like and share this video. Do not forget to turn on the notification for more videos about AI and online tools. Now let me show you what wish to game means. So I typed, give me a fruit cannon that launches fruits into the air around a floating ninja sword. Astrocade built it in seconds. Flying fruits, spinning sword, no code, no assets, just vibes. Seconds later, it's there, fully playable. Next, I wanted some interaction, so I typed again. Add a score counter that increases by 1 for every fruit sliced. Done. Now every slash adds to my score in the top corner. Feels like Fruit Ninja built from scratch just by typing. Let's finish the scene. I asked it to surround the scene with a dojo-style background and bamboo walls. And just like that, I had a fruit-slicing arena worthy of a samurai. Built the whole thing in seconds. Now let's see the final result of the game I just created. So what are you waiting for? People are building FPS games, interactive novels, obby challenge maps, virtual hangout spaces, all without ever touching Unity, code, or asset packs. That's the magic of Astrocade. No code, no setup, just creativity. This is game dev reimagined. The future of game creation is here, and it's weird, wild, and wonderful. Ready to build your first game with a prompt? Then try Astrocade.